We're gonna cook up this fish. Not this one, this one. Look at the head still moving.
We're gonna eat some dinner.
Yeah, here you go. Jaden, you like the fire?
Yeah. I'm gonna go cook up the fire.
Okay.
So what do you do first, Uncle Andre?
We're gonna cut the tail off. Okay, we cut the tail off. Cut the head off. Should we even cut the fins off, Alex?
This head right here.
Kaden, you careful, no walking in there.
There is the guts. Dispose of the guts properly. Just throw them under the rock.
This fish didn't suffer a bit. Do you have scissors?
No. Kaden is keeping the fire going.
Kaden, come on. Hey, we need those sticks. We're gonna fry fish on those sticks. Kaden, pull them out. Pull the sticks out, those two, yeah. Sheesh. Oh, great, Kaden.
I didn't know.
Bring him here, just carefully.
How did we catch two of them?
What?
Where did we catch the second one?
What? Second what?
The second fish.
We only have one fish.
Then why do we have two sticks?
We're gonna...
Unless we catch another one?
No. We're gonna put one fish on two sticks.
Multitasking. Pools are in the water.
We're just catching fish. Oh shoot! It still has a... This thing has a kick. Kaden, get up! Get away from the fire. Kaden, come on. Okay, so how should we cut them? I'm thinking we should cut it in half. What do you think? Like this? Or like this, Alex? I'm just gonna cut it like this, you know why?
Yeah. Oh, cook. Yes.
Okay, Kaden? Okay, we're fishing, we're making fire.
Yep.
Oh.
Dad, I think I'm gonna need the stick.
No, I'm gonna use it for the fish.
You don't need two. I need
Kaden, I need two. I'm gonna have two sides.
Dad, aren't you gonna cut the fish up for everybody eat it?
Are you gonna have some fish?
No.
You know, if you wanna come here again and do this again, you need to eat some fish.
I don't like fish. I never tried it before. I'll try it when I grow up.
Hey, you need to sit down so you can grow up.
These leaves. I found a little piece of firewood.
Are you even watching what you're filming, Alex?
Sometimes.
Oh yeah. There's some big fire.
Wow, okay, no more leaves. Okay.
You want it to be humongo? Yes. We want it to be humongo. So
Can you hold this fish like this? No, the fish.
No.
It's dead. You're just holding a piece of meat.
With some worms in it.
Why worms? Are you gonna have some?
Yes, I'll have some.
You know what?
Yep, paper towels.
You have paper towels? Kaden, you need to stop.
Kaden, if you can get your hands dirty, we got some paper towels. Your dad's got them.
Yeah. I got paper towels in here.
Where?
My jacket. Look what you did to me, Kaden. Look. Okay, who's ready for some fish? No, I am. Okay. Alex?
Did I feed the fire
What?
Is the fire
It's
full?
not.
The fire's not full.
This is your fish, Alex.
Okay. Alex fish.
Daddy fish. Kaden, look.
Why does daddy fish look better than Alex fish?
Why? Because take a wild guess. Daddy's bigger.
Because Andrey's making the fish? Is that why?
Okay, Kaden, you know what we're gonna do?
Bake the fish.
No spitting. Why are you spitting so much?
Are you having fish on the cob?
Yes. Isn't it what you always wanted?
No. I don't want you to be a goofball. Aren't you kind of? I don't want you to be a goofball.
Hey, Kaden, you be careful in there.
You're being a goofball, a good one. You're being a good goofball. Are you being goofballs?
No. Kaden, you be very careful. Just stand there. Can you just sit down?
Wait.
Yeah, Joe, I don't know if for some reason it's sweet. I don't think it just smells like warm.
Yeah.
Is it possible?
Totally possible. Kaden, so next time we go fishing, what are we bringing?
Salt and pepper.
Why?
Tastes better.
And some steak for you, yeah? That wouldn't been so good to make some of that steak on the fire.
Hey, Dad.
Yeah.
Next time, bring popcorn.
We're gonna throw a bag of popcorn in there?
No, for her to eat.
Okay, fine.
Would that be great?
Yeah.
That would be great. We are not going to be hungry, right?
No.
If we bring that. Next time.
Throw it in the river, Kaden. Okay, jump on the stump. You're gonna run and jump on the stump. Okay? Go. Jump. The heck?
I can't. Let's try one more time.
Okay, go. Run and jump. Okay, let's go. No,
Let's do it again.
you gotta go.
Ow. Ow.
I know.
Ouchie.
I know. Let's go.
That hurt me. Ouch.
Sorry, Daddy's being such a bad boy. Hey, don't fall in there. It's gonna hurt.